Let us discuss pie chart or circular graph. If the expenditure can be derived on the circular graph in percentage basis, if we know that the circle is makes a 360 degrees angle, then the 360 degrees angle can be divided into four parts. Those four parts are 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. If the expenditure is we are taking 100 percentage, then the four parts means the 25 percentage, 25 percentage, 25, 25, it makes the 100 percentage. And if we can derive or divide it into equal four parts means four quadrants, that is each quadrant is 25 percentage. See here, just you observe the how much percentage is there in the circular graph or pie chart. 20 plus 5, 25. 10 plus 15, 25. It's a 50 percentage. Here 10 plus 15, 25 percentage, 25 percentage. Total 100 percentage. Here we are discussing one problem. The first problem is adjoining pie chart gives the expenditure in percentage on various items and savings of your family during a month. The first question, in this, first we can discuss the pie chart. In the pie chart, the 15 percentage is the education for children, 25 percentage is the food, 10 percentage is the clothes, 15 percentage is the savings, 20 percentage is the other items, 5 percentage for the transport, 10 percentage for the house rent. Here just we observe the education for children and savings both are having the same percentage. In this, the highest percentage for food, 25 percentage. Next, other holds. Next, 10 percentage is the same for house rent and clothes. The 5 percentage is the transport, that is only one. Here, on which item the expenditure was maximum? That is the question, on which item. In this, we observe in which item it is maximum means 25 percentage expenditure for food. The maximum expenditure is the food. The expenditure was maximum for food. Okay, that is the first question answer. Second one is expenditure on which item is equal to the total saving of the family. Total saving of the family is 15 percentage. The 15 percentage is equal to another 15 percentage for education for children. So education for children is education for children is equal to the total saving. Total saving of the family. Second answer is over. Next, third one. If the monthly savings of the family is 3,000 rupees, what is the monthly expenditure on clothes? The monthly expenditure on clothes 10 percentage, the savings 15 percentage. The savings 15 percentage equal to 15 percentage of savings equal to 3,000 rupees. For 1 percentage of saving is equal to 3,000 rupees by 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are 30, 200. 200 rupees for 1 percentage. For clothes percentage is expenditure for clothes. 10 percentage of clothes is equal to 10 into 200 rupees. It is equal to 200 into 10, 2,000 rupees expenditure for clothes. This is the answer. Okay. Second problem, on a particular day, the sales in rupees of different items of baker's shop are given below. The sales in rupees in a particular day 720 rupees, on the sales on different items on ordinary bread is 300 rupees, fruit bread 80 rupees, cakes and pastries 160 rupees, biscuits 120 rupees, others 40 rupees. The total sales in a day is 720 rupees. We can draw the pie chart for the data. Here pie chart means we can take the circle. Okay, that circle is makes 360 degrees. One rotation is 360 degrees. The 360 degrees can be divided into different parts. Okay, here the four quadrants means it's a 90 degrees. This total is 180 degrees. Next, the below is 180 degrees. Each part is 90 degrees. We remember that 90 degrees. Okay. Next, we can take the tabular form for finding the angles for different items. First, we can write the item name. Next, write the sales in rupees. Next, we can write in fraction. In fraction, what we are getting for total sale. Next, that fraction can be taking as a central angle. The central angle is 360, then we can multiply with the 360 degrees angle with the fraction, then we are getting the angle for the different items. Okay, here ordinary bread is 320 rupees. It's ordinary bread. 320 rupees. Fruit bread 80 rupees. Cakes and pastries 160 rupees. Biscuits 120 rupees. Others 40 rupees. Here fractions means we are taking totally 720. So 320 by 720 is the fraction. Here 80 by 720. Here 160 by 720. 120 by 720. 40 by 720. 0, 0 cancel. Here 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 7. 4 8s are 32. 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are 18. Its the fraction is 4 by 9. The central angle is 4 by 9 is multiplied with 360 degrees. 3 1s are 340 degrees. 4 4s are 16 degrees. That is 160. 4 4s are 16. That is 4 into 40 degrees is 160 degrees. Next 0 0 cancel. 8 1s are 8 9s are. This is equal to 1 by 9. The 1 by 9 is multiplied with 360 degrees. 9 1s are 940 degrees. 140 degrees are 40 degrees. Next 0 0 cancel. 18 9 9 2s are 18. 9 8s are 72. 2 1s are 2 4s are. It is equal to 1 by 4. Sorry. 160 by 720. 0 0 cancel. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 8s are 72, 2 2s are 2 9s are. It's 2 by 9. 2 by 9 into 360 degrees. 9 ones are 940 degrees, 360. 240 is 80 degrees. Here 0 0 cancel. 6 2s are 12. 6 ones are 6 2s are 2 ones are 2 6 are. It is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 360 degrees. 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. 160 is 60 degrees. 0 0 cancel. 4 ones are 4 18s are. 1 by 18. Here 1 by 18 into 360 degrees. 18 ones are 18 twos are 36. 20 degrees. 120 degrees is 20 degrees. This is the tabular form with the different items in rupees can be taken as in fractions. The fractions with the central angle. From the central angle, we can make the pie chart. Okay, here just you can add it. 160 plus 40, 200. 200 plus 80, 280 plus 20, 300, 360 degrees. So 360 degrees can be divided into equal parts in a circular diagram. Okay, this is a circular diagram. In this, it's 180 degrees. It's generally 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Here, 160 plus 20, 180. Here, we can take, it's 20. This is 160 degrees angle. This is 20 degrees angle. Okay. Here, 160 degrees angle for ordinary bread. Okay, 20 degrees angle is for others. Okay, next 180 degrees can be. Here this is 90. It's exactly this is 90 degrees, but 100 and that is 80 degrees means the 10 degrees angle is. This is 80 degrees angle. 80 degrees angle for cakes and pastries. Next 60 degrees angle. Here this is 90 means in this 60 means here this is 60 degrees angle. It's a 60 degrees angle. The 60 degrees angle is for biscuits. Next 40 degrees angle for fruit, and this is 40 degrees. Why? Because it is 30 plus 10, 40 degrees. It's a fruit bread. This is the pie chart. It is the 160 degrees, 20, 180 others and ordinary bread. Next remaining 180 can be divided into cakes and pastries, fruit bread, biscuits. Okay. The think, discuss and write the production of food grains of a state in years and production in lakh tons can be representation in the bar graph is easy to represent. Okay, on the x-axis we can take the years, and on the y-axis we can take the production in lakh of the tons. Here on y-axis we can take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 up to 90, 10 tons. From the problem, 2001 year the production is 60 tons. 2002 year the production is 50 tons. 2003 year the production is 70 tons. 2004 year the production is 55 tons. The 2005 year the production is 80 tons. 2006 is the production is 85 tons. Okay, using the graph we are taking the 1 unit is equal to, on the y-axis the 1 unit is equal to 10 tons. 10 lakh tons. 10 lakh tons. On the x-axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 year. 1 unit is equal to 1 year. We can take in that way. The scale is also we can write in the graph. The second question, think, discuss, and write. The second question, choice of food for a group of people, favorite food, number of people, North Indians, South Indians, Chinese, others. North Indians, number of people 30, South Indians 40, Chinese 25, others 25, total 120. This is also we can represent in the bar graph easily. Why? Because the different items can be different. Favorite items can be taking, favorite food items can be taking in on x-axis. The number of peoples we are taking on y-axis. Okay, on y-axis, the number of people on y-axis. Here just we can take or we can observe the problem here. 40 is the maximum number. If we can take the 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That is nothing but 1 unit scale. 1 unit is equal to on y-axis, 1 unit equal to 5 number, 5 members. Okay. On x-axis, we can take the different items. North Indian is 1 bar. South Indian is 1 bar. Chinese is 1 bar. And others 1 bar. Okay. Here, North Indian is 30 means we can take the bar with equal length and equal distance. It's a 30 members for North Indian. The South Indians are 40 members. So we can take, it's a 40 members. Chinese, 25 members. Others, 25 members. So 25, 25. We use the bar graph for different, and it can be making to pie chart also. We can represent in pie chart also. The pie chart means we can take the 120 means 30 by 120. This is 30 by 120 into 360 degrees. 0, 0 cancel, 3 ones are 3 fours are 4. It's 90. The 90 degrees means it's exactly 90 degrees. 90 degrees for North Indians. North Indians. Next to 40 by 120 into 360 degrees. 12 ones are 12 threes are 36, 120 degrees. 120 means almost here it's 90, 90 plus 30. This is 120 degrees for South Indians. Next to 25 means 25 by 120 into 360 degrees. 120 into 120 ones are 120 threes are 360. It's 75 degrees. It is also 75 degrees. It's 90 plus 60. It's exactly 150. 150 can be divided into 75 degrees for Chinese and 75 degrees for others. If we can make into pie chart or bar graph, our wish. What we can feel easy, we can draw on that graph only. If we want to draw in pie chart means we can find out the, first write the different states or different food items and the number of persons, write in fractions. Next write in the central angle. So from the central angle, we can divide it into parts for the different food items, favorite food items. Okay. Next, third question. The daily income of group of a factory workers, daily income in rupees 75 to 100, 100 to 125. It can be drawn in a histogram. It can be drawn in a histogram. How to choose? Histogram means just to we can observe the problem. This is a continuous interval. They are taking for, it's a where jagged line, the jagged line from 75 to 100 rupees. That is in x-axis. On the x-axis, we are taking the interval 75 to 100, 100 to 125, 125 to 150, 150 to 175, 200, 225, 250. Okay. Next, here the minimum is 45, the maximum is 140. So we are taking 20-20 difference, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. Our wish here on the y-axis, we are taking the number of persons, number of workers. If 140, if we are choosing 10 difference means we make into the vertical line is more. That depends on your page and your thought. Here, 1 unit is equal to 20 workers. 20 workers. Here, 1 bar is equal to 25 rupees. Okay. Here, 75 to 100, how much? 45. 45 means some little bit here. This is 45. Next, it is a continuous. Continuous means connected. Connected bar graphs means a histogram. This is a histogram. It's 35 means it's 30. This is 35. It's 35. Next, 125 to 150 is 55. This is 40, 50, 55. 55. Next, 30. 30 means this is 30. Next, 50. It's a 50. 125. This is the small part. 125. Next, 225 to 250 is 140. Using the scale, we can write it straight, draw the straight line. This is the histogram. This graph is histogram. Okay. Just to we think and read and discuss problems, examples, then you are getting the idea, brief idea. Then you can easy to do the exercise problems. Okay. Is it clear?